Hey and welcome to Alpha 1 this Thursday morning. I'm now going to run Alpha Master. It's a free binary option robot that do not use any form of martingale. You can download this robot also completely for free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also included in the link is a promo code that gives you 50% on your first deposit as long as you deposit more than $100. So keep that in mind. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also, make sure you see to the end of the video, because always in the end I give a little explanation of the trade, and also I show you the trade and all this good stuff. Okay. Also below the video you find a link to my free WhatsApp community. I give all my forex trade and binary option trade there. So if you have any interest about that, check it out. But now let's start up Alpha Master.
Getting stronger every day. Keep on pushing through the pain. Keep on grinding till we die. Ain't no mercy in this life. There's nowhere left to run away. No, there's nowhere left to run away. Run away, run away, run away,
And once again, how amazing was this entry? You see we came an entry all the way in the bottom here. Perfect entry as always. It's because I told again, we're using 3 indicators. We use for support and resistance, we use for Bollinger Band, and we use for RSI. That means when we get these spikes, like see we got a spike here. Now after, this is not the same thing. Now we're getting a new spike. So this will be for another support. But when you use these 3 together, the first test of any support, most of the time we win. That's why we have so good win rate. So now let's move over here. Let's take a look at the trade we just did take. It's not coming up here yet, but you can see in the top here, that's the trade we did. Today is number 6. This is the trade from yesterday, so we have not done 2 trades. If I take today now, yes, there you can. So you can see we made another $506. So this robot is just amazing. Let me just remove this to see better. So there you have it, $506. So if you want to use the robot also, it's completely for free. You can download this robot and get started today. Just push this robot thing you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. So that's how amazing they